Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So, one of you guys really wanted to see me do a palette bingo with the Creepy Cute and Divinity palette from Strobe Cosmetics, and this has been on my list for a while actually, so your comment just pushed it to the top of the list. So, thank you for inspiring me to play with these because I'm very glad I'm doing it. I'm going to tell you right now that I need Strobe Cosmetics to release Strawberry Milk as a giant pan because I used it as my blush. And it might just be my favorite eyeshadow that I've used as a blush ever. What I did is I put the Glossier Beam Cloud Paint and tapped it out because I'm trying not to be scared of cream blush. So I'm trying to use this. And then I layered Strawberry Milk all over top of it and on my nose, and I love it. And then for my highlight, I went in with Hathor from the Divinity palette, and I just feel like a glowy, beautiful little fairy, and it's so cute. So these are what the two palettes look like together. I kind of tried to go with a background that I felt like I'm likely to get somewhat of a vibe with, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like pretty much any combination I get, it'll go with it as long as I don't just get straight up orange and yellow and white. Like, that would be kind of weird. Watch, it's gonna be that now that I say that. But there are 8 shades in each palette. I'm going to draw three from each palette, so it'll be 6 total. I don't know what we're gonna get, obviously. That's the whole point of this. I don't know what we're gonna get, and I'm gonna create a look. We'll see what happens. I will say I wish so bad that I filmed myself doing my face makeup for this video too, because I just feel like my skin looks so extra good. I'm impressed. I know someone's gonna ask, but I just got some plugs in the mail that I bought. They weren't sent to me, but I bought plugs from Love Kills Boutique. This is their business card. Their Instagram is just Love Kills Boutique. But I bought a bunch of plugs and I'm obsessed with these. I've never had dangly plugs. They're quite heavy compared to what I normally put in my ears, but they're really pretty and I know someone's gonna ask, so they're from Love Kills Boutique. So I have my random number generator here. I'm just gonna plug it in 1 to 8, and we're gonna do Creepy Cute first because it came out first and I like to do things chronologically. We're gonna draw 3 shades. We got 3, 6, 4. I had to like stop for a second and question if it was a 6 or a 9 because I was looking at it in my mirror and then I realized there's only 8 possibilities. So we got 3, 6, and 4. 3, 6, 4. Bam. I'm so happy. This is already gonna be my favorite palette bingo of all time. Do you see how just beautiful these are? They're just so electric, but also pastel, and it's just such an unreal formula. I can't even explain it or put it into words. Now let's go with the Divinity palette. We got 8, 7, and 3. So we got Freya, Rati, and Katesh. I'm really excited to play with these. Wow, I think we got a really good drawing, honestly. I'm ready for it. You know what's even better is I have this metallic-y purple liner I just bought from Ulta and got in the mail yesterday. It's gonna go with this, you better believe it. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer in light as I usually do. I do not set my primer because I prefer a tacky base. And we're gonna get on to playing with these shadows. I'm really, really excited for this. There's literally someone like, I don't know, sawing down a tree, I swear, outside my window. So if you can hear that, I apologize. I have a lot of ideas with this color story that I have to work with, but I think I've kind of narrowed it down to what I want to do. I'm going to start by taking Freya from the Divinity palette, and I'm just taking that on a little brush. And I'm gonna tuck this in the outer corner of my eye and then begin to work it through my crease. I love this shade, it's so pretty. I just love Strobe Cosmetics so much. Such a solid brand. Everything I've tried from them has been just to die for. I've had 0 issues with both of these palettes. Their single metallic shadows are beautiful. The glitters that I've tried from them are beautiful. They just came out with some neon glitters and I ordered 2 of them. I really wanted the whole bundle, but you know, money's tight right now, so I have to just be careful. What if I just left it like this and went on with my day? Now I'm just gonna go in with Rati, and I just have kind of a tapered blending brush. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use this shade just to help blend this out. I really don't use this Rati shade too often, but I mean, since I have to use it for this color story, I'm just gonna use it to blend. But I mean, it's a really good transition shade. It's pretty. I actually feel like this might be a good contour color for us pale folk. I think that'd be pretty cute. I'll have to try it one day. It's just not too often I actually contour. Even today. Today's my first time in a while that I didn't even use powder bronzer. I used my Milk Makeup Baked Bronzing Stick, but I didn't use powder, and I like it. But I also use so much blush that it kind of covers up the bronzer anyways, but you know, I think it looks cute. That's my preference on myself, not even on everybody else. I just like it on myself. Zane's home sick today. He started puking last night, poor thing. I think he got food poisoning from something. We're blaming it on chicken at our local Moe's because I don't eat meat and he ate it, and that's really the only difference that we've had in food. And I'm fine. Just going to re-deepen this outer corner a tad bit. Now I'm just taking a clean blending brush to buff this edge out even more because I want it to be nice and soft. Okay, so for my lid, I'm thinking I want to do a half cut crease, and I actually haven't cut my crease in a while, so I'm going to do it. And I kind of wanted to have kind of an ombre effect of that more blue, the sea foamy, and the green. So that's kind of my plan. So I'm just taking my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in the shade Illustrate, and I'm going to pop some on my lid. Look up so I can see where it transfers on my specific eye shape. Going to put more of that on a little flat brush here, and I'm just going to kind of follow that line. You guys have seen me do this quite a few times, so it's not anything new. I'm doing the same thing. That was one of the fastest, most crisp cut creases I've ever done in my life. Okay. So now I'm gonna start with the green, do this one in the middle, and then do the blue towards the inner portion. So it's gonna go green, seafoam, blue, or take a hint, creep it real, cold shoulder. And I'm basically just gonna use a lot of different pencil brushes for this. That's my idea. I'm just gonna start by just kind of packing. I really don't wanna do any sweeping because there's a lot of wet, sticky base underneath this, and I don't want it to get disrupted. I just want to pack it first. You see how freaking pigmented. Chloe's the CEO of Strobe, and I just want to know, Chloe, how did you manage? I don't know if she's gonna watch this, but if you do, I need to know. Now we're going in with a different pencil brush and the second shade, and I'm not really working on blending them together just yet. I just want to get them laid down. And I'm working fairly fast because I don't want any of this base to crease because it's very liquidy, and I don't want the mattes to show the creases because they sure will. It's not as forgiving as popping a shimmer is. And then just one more pencil brush with cold shoulder. So I have to ask you guys, the day that I'm filming this, it is Friday, is the same day that my ranking my eyeshadow palettes video went up, and it's my longest video ever. It's a little over 30 minutes, and I don't necessarily want most of my videos to be that long. I just literally couldn't condense it any more than that. And a lot of you really seem to like the longer video, and I even had a complaint recently that my videos are too short. They're always at least 10 minutes, but they rarely reach over like 18 minutes. I need to know if you guys like the range that my videos are typically at now, or if you'd prefer longer videos. I'm trying to be a little more chatty even in this one, just to like kind of test the waters. But I don't know, I worry that if my videos are too long, nobody will watch them. But then my mind gets blown when people actually watch my entire video and like listening to me chat. So I don't know. I just need to know what you guys want from me, basically. So this little outer corner area is gonna be a little, not tough, but just trickier because it's just such a different kind of vibe. So I'm just gonna kind of very carefully go back and forth until it looks the way I want it to. It's actually working easier than I thought it was going to. I thought it was gonna be a lot more of a struggle. I love these shadows because I don't have to put that much effort into making them work. They do their thing. They don't complain. It's great. I like this quite a lot, I will say. So for my lower lash line, I was thinking I want to smoke out that purple very heavily in my lower lash line. And then I want to use this LA Girl eye pencil. This is in the shade Perpetual Purple. I just got it, like I said in the beginning, and I wanted to play with it. So I think that'll work out really nice, just to have that purple smoked out all underneath with the purple eyeliner. So I'm taking Kush, that purple. I'm just taking another pencil brush, and I'm just going to begin to smudge this all underneath my lower lash line. And look at that pigment, it's crazy. How did I get such a perfect color story for my background? I swear I did not plan this. There's no way I could have planned this. Palette bingo gods were smiling on me after my ABH palette bingo when they gave me the most boring combination of colors ever. Everything just blends out so nicely. I'm so happy right now. Let's go ahead and try this eyeliner. It's retractable, which I appreciate. I'm way much more of a retractable eyeliner kind of person. We'll see how long it lasts, how it wears, things like that. If I end up liking it, then you'll see more of these eye pencils, and if not, you'll never see them again. So I think for my inner corner, I might be so bold as to put some more green. So I think that could be cute just to tie it all around. Ooh, that was a good choice, if I do say so myself. I'm in such a mood right now, I don't even know. I'm just in a really good mood. And I don't even know why. Today is such an insignificant day. But I guess it's a good day. Hashtag inspiring. So I like where this is at. Truly, I think it looks cute. I'm going to just touch up the other eye. I need to do the other eye. Throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we'll finish this up. So this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. The palette bingo gods were smiling on me today. They gave me pretty much exactly what I was hoping to do. Obviously, I didn't plan for these colors, but obviously I was inspired with these kinds of colors because that's what I chose my background to be, and that's really what I was hoping for, and that's pretty much exactly what I got. Oh, I love it. The only thing that I wish could have been a little different is maybe if the Freya shade was replaced with this shade, that would have made it just that extra little bit perfect. But otherwise, I love this look. It's so pretty. I went with my bold face makeup, lashes out, lashes of course. I can't believe these lashes are still surviving. I've been wearing them pretty much every day for like a month. And on my lips from my Ulta purchase, I got a Colourpop So Juicy lip gloss. This one is in the shade Cutie, and I like it. It's very glass-like and glossy, and I like the tingly, minty feeling on my lips. And really, that's about it. I really hope you like this look. What did you think about just what I did with the shades that I got dealt? Would you have done something different? Do you like what I did? Did you enjoy this palette bingo in general? Let me know. Let me know what other like brands you want me to do multi-palette bingos with. I plan on doing the Ace Beauté ones soon. I need to do more Juvia's Place. I need to do Jeffree Star again, probably now that I have blood sugar. I could always do the Pinky Rose ones again. I want to do Colourpop, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes. I want to do all sorts of stuff. I actually really should do one with my OMFG palettes because I haven't really given them much love, so that could be a fun little video. But let me know what you guys want to see. I've been very diligent writing down your ideas and trying to push them to the top of my list if I'm really inspired by your idea or if multiple people are suggesting it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let's chat as usual. I love talking with you guys. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, but it's usually 6, usually 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.